Welcome to PFTV Bafetu. Ke tshwere Karabo. Karabo, when you game here today?
It was a very good game today. Second leg of the first preliminary stage, but the team have improved much compared to the first leg we've played Go Free State. I'm really happy with the coach, how they approach the game, the team, the technical team, and the players. We must give credit to Remy, to CBC. I had a lot of games this season because of reliable injury, but he came with that mentality that he's a captain of the team and he showed up, and every player needs to give him credit today. And Utito, he came and he showed up for Lena, he deserves to play. Yeah, most of the players they played Master Chef. He played very well. He's a sharp player. He must give him credit. And all the players that we have signed this season, like they are giving us 100%. Also the coach, he have improved much, and he has adopted the culture of the team and his caliber. I can give him his flowers. Like he deserves his flowers.
You always tell us, Karabo, there's still a long season and we have a lot of games. Squad depth is going to be very important. So far, squad depth, we happy Gason.
I'm really happy because of every player again and second half as a sub. They are performing well. Look at Tito. Tito and combination of Tito le Master Chef is really great. Arabona gore Hoto na bench today, but the player who replacing Hoto he was doing his job, and you have to give credit to the boys really. And then Buthelezi Lena is shown up. Lena is ready to play, and I think he must play next week Saturday for Rem test Lena, because of if Kimang our number one goalkeeper Chaine Otola a big injury nako. It's going to be a problem because of we won't trust this one because of the mistakes I do the guy and everything. So each and every player needs to get his chance. We are playing a crucial game on Tuesday. We have to collect 3 points. We have to score at least 3 goals or 4 goals, because of we have 12 points. We have played 7 games, and then I think Skukunit how many games?
I think is it not 8?
Yeah, 8. So Santeri ruined games setting tsena. Sundowns go pele, I think, ne? Yeah, Sundowns go pele, Santeri tshwareng fela, and then score many goals as we can, especially at home. At least at home, let it be a draw. And also away, let it be a draw or lose. And then collect our maximum points. When the derby approaches, we are deciding we are league champions, because if I believe derby say it like the champions league if we win the games before the derby.
Positive Bafetu from Karabo Bafetu Rubana Sere Pamisa copy. And then Karabo Ruboni Lemuremi, man. What a beautiful performance, man. Do you think you should start Kaka Wednesday when we play Galaxy? Because I think he deserves it.
Yeah, he really needs to start the game, and then also the coach needs to look at this thing how first goals, first half, many goals, first half, so that we can see okay, we have maybe first half 3 goals, and then high class 16 minutes we can rest other players, because we are playing many competitions. Saturday is a different competition. It's a Black Label Cup, and then it's a FIFA Breaker, same story, Champions League. Preliminary stages. So we need to have a good system, and the coach, like I'm really happy with the coach, because of last time I checked, most of the fans were criticizing the coach, saying this and this and this, he must go, but now he have brought us back also together as a team. Look at least the most good thing, 50% was sold out. It's not bad, And then also we have to support the team, whether we are playing home and away. We have to be here as the supporters. Then I'm coming Wednesday, Saturday will be here. Netbank Carling Cup, the Carling Cup on Saturday. We have to win this one, because of it's been long not winning this cup, and we deserve it, because of we are the most winning team from Khali. Chiefs, 1 game failure. So we need to bring it back home, and then look also at leaguing and Champions League. But I can rest you guys assured that we are going to the Champions League final this season.
Hey, Karabo, positive. But I trust you, Karabo. I trust your judgment. And then Masindi and Monijang, he came in today. Hey, in fact.
He's a good player. He needs to get a chance now on Saturday. Yeah. Most of the players maybe they start darling most games. Let them play on Saturday. We are not risking them. We are testing them. They are ready now to play those big games, go Champions League, leaking the derby, because we are going to have most of the players maybe injured because of most of our players are playing ko Bafana and us. So fatigue is sharp, have been traveling to North Africa, coming back, have to play league games, cup games. So we need to trust all the players. We mustn't doubt them. When it's time for them to play, they must come and show up.
They give it Mapagania. Bopa.